Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you want to scale your business and earn more money, then make sure to subscribe, as I make videos where I share with you tools that will help you grow your business. Today, I want to share with you 4 websites that will help you find and identify trends on Redbubble. Links to every website will be provided down below in the description, so make sure to check it out. The first website is Podautomation.net. This website will allow you to find the latest Redbubble trends and group them in a list ordered by the number of results. You can click on the link below each keyword and scroll through the results to check what people are selling and also to see if there are any copyrighted designs being posted. I recommend avoiding any design that is copyrighted because either your design will be removed or you risk losing your account. The second website is Bubble Trends. This website also gives you a list of keywords and shows you their respective search results on Redbubble. On this website, you can even specify the date you want and check the trends of that specific day. It's worth mentioning that even though those websites might look similar, they do provide different keywords, so a good strategy would be to use all of the websites I'm showing you today to increase your chances of finding a big trend. The third website is Redbubble Popular Tags. This website shows you a list of popular tags and orders them based on their popularity. This website also shows you a bunch of metrics to help you while looking for trends. You can check which tags are more popular by checking the popularity tab, and also figure out which tags are gaining or losing popularity by looking at the popularity difference tab. There's also the results tab and the results difference tab, which might help you check if a tag is copyrighted based on how many results are added or how many results are removed. Another bonus website is Google Trends. Google Trends is one of the most powerful tools for finding trends, and because Redbubble products are indexed in Google, actually validating the trends you find using the other websites on Google Trends will help you get more sales and even get your products to show on Google search. Today, I shared with you 4 websites that will help you find and identify trends on Redbubble. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for any future videos like this. Thanks for watching.